Assalamu alaikum dear students of level 2. How are all of you? I hope you all will be fine and enjoying your summer vacation. As in the previous video we started our question number 16. We did reading of chapter number 6. Today we will do our book work. Let's start. First is on page number 44. Answer the following question. What sort of people were at Akbar's court? Yes, the answer is on page 42. There were artists and musicians, dancers and poets, and clever scientists and writers too. Mark the answer and learn it also. B question is, what was Mullah Do Piazza's work at Akbar's court? Okay, the answer is on page 43. The very first line, the mullah made the emperor laugh. Question number C is, how was Rafiq punished? उसको कैसे सजा दी गई थी? Yes, the answer is Rafiq was called a bad boy and chased out of the kitchen by his mother. He was left hiding under the bed. Question number D is, what did the mullah's wife ask her husband to do? The mullah's wife asked her husband to go to Rafiq, speak to him sweetly, and asked him to come for his dinner. Okay, now move to question number 2. Put the following sentences in order. The first sentence is in the correct place. There was a very funny man at Akbar's court. His mother chased him. The mullah came home and went to talk to his son. And in the next page, there are 5 sentences. We have to rearrange the sentences. Yes, the first sentence is, there was a funny man at Akbar's court. And the next sentence is, this man's name was Mullah Do Piazza. Then 3, the mullah had a son who was 6-year-old. Then 4th, last one, one day the son behaved very badly. 5, his mother chased him. 6, the boy hid under his bed. And the 7th, the mullah came home and went to talk to his son. And the last 8, he joined his son under the bed. As I already have marked the numbering for my convenience and as well as your convenience, you can also write the number. Okay, now move to working with words. Question number 1 is, use the words and phrases in sentences of your own. You have to use these words or phrases. Phrases are those words that do not convey us a complete sense. Peeped under, नीचे की तरफ झांकना, with his clear words, clever words, चालाक अल्फाजों के साथ, called for बुलाना, something naughty, कुछ शरारती. You can use these words into your own sentences. Just try to make the sentences of these words. Okay, the next is C, learning about language. First is apostrophe. What is apostrophe? Apostrophe show ownership or possession. ये किसी चीज़ की मलकियत को शो करता है, जाहिर करता है. For example, the pen of Aqsa means Aqsa's pen. We add apostrophe and S. Apostrophe S. This show that ownership. Read the following. Akbar's court means the court of Akbar, the mullah's son, the son of mullah. The mark apostrophe is called an apostrophe. This mark is called apostrophe. और जो नीचे कोमा होता है उसको हम कोमा ही बोलते हैं. Okay, the question number 1 is, copy the sentences below, put in the missing apostrophe. This emperor's court was full of musicians. Yes, mark here apostrophe before S. B is, there were poets and writers at Akbar's court. Yes, Akbar's, right, mark apostrophe. C is, the boy's mother did not go to her son's room. Here after Y, mark apostrophe before S, and after son, after N. The boy's father was Akbar's friend. Mark Y, apostrophe after Y and after R in Akbar's. Change the underlined word, follow the example. The head of the boy was small. How we can write by using apostrophe? The boy's head was small. Okay, now turn the page 46. We have this exercise. As my convenience, I have solved and you can note down. The first is, the wife of the mullah chased the boy. How we will use apostrophe? The mullah's wife. After mullah, we mark apostrophe, then S. The mullah's wife, this show that the wife of the mullah. There were clever people at the court of emperor. Court of emperor, emperor's court. Mullah Do Piazza crawled under the bed of his son. Bed of his son means son's bed. The name of the man was Mullah Do Piazza. Man's name was Mullah Do Piazza. The words of boy made his father speechless. The boy's words made his father speechless. Okay, question number 3 is, find the mistake and write the sentences correctly. द ओल्ड मैन गोज़ टू मार्केट यस्टरडे. यस्टरडे मीन्स कि बात हो गई है, काम हो गया है, पास्ट में बात है. एंड इन द पास्ट वी यूज सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. सो देयर इज़ अ मिस्टेक. वी विल राइट इंस्टेड ऑफ गोज़ वी विल राइट वेंट. द ओल्ड मैन वेंट टू द मार्केट यस्टरडे. And the next sentence is houses too I see tomorrow. Yes, the correct sentence is I shall see 2 houses tomorrow. All the birds flies in the sky. All the birds are flying in the sky. Yes, next and the last is please give me 6 banana. Please give me 6 bananas. Okay, the next D is listening and speaking. Listening and speaking enhance our ability of listening and speaking. First we listen, then we will be able to speak. Learn this rhyme and sing it aloud with actions. Row, row, row your boat. This sentence, note how the tone of the poem is rising in the first line. कि कैसे उसकी जो टोन है, जो आवाज़ है, वो कैसे राइज हो रही है. Second is gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 merrily. As you read the poem, the rhythm will keep changing. Notice how your voice goes up and down. कि इस सेंटेंस में देखिए आपकी वॉइस जो है कैसे ऊपर नीचे हो रही है, अप एंड डाउन. Life is but a dream. As you end the poem, note how you stress on the word dream. Last word पे stress आ रहा है. Life is but a dream. Okay, the question number 2 is look at Umair's picture on the next page. Read the questions below. Your teacher will tell you something about Umair. Can you answer all the questions correctly? Now what we will do, I will tell you a story of Umair. Just listen carefully. If you listen carefully, you will be able to answer the following questions. Where does Umair live? And in the page 47 there are many MCQs.
Umair lives in Lahore with his mother and father and one sister called Sarah, who is 9 years old. Umair will be 8 on his next birthday. Umair has a pet dog called Bruno. He loves Bruno very much and plays with him every day. Sarah too has a pet, but it is a cat. It is called Princess. Princess and Bruno are good friends. They never fight.
Let's solve. Where does Umair live? Karachi, Lahore, Hyderabad. Yes, the correct option is Lahore, B. The next is who does Umair live with? Umair किसके साथ रहता था? His parents and sisters. His sister. Yes, his parents and sister. Next is how old is Umair? Umair कितने साल का है? 6 years old, 7 years old, 8 years old. अभी उसने अपनी नेक्स्ट बर्थडे पे 8 years old का होना है. It means that he is 7 years old. Fourth is what pet does Umair have? Umair का कौन सा पेट था? A cat, a dog. Yes, a dog, Bruno. Next is what is Umair's sister called? Princess, Sarah, Naila. Yes, her name was Sarah. Okay, the question number 3 is rate the ways in which people greet each other. कि लोग एक दूसरे से कैसे मिलते हैं. Yes, A and B. First A is Assalamu alaikum, I am Umar. What B is saying? Walaikum assalam, I am Aisha. Do you need help getting to the library? Yes, I do not know the way. Follow me, I am going there as well. Would you like to sit with our group? Thank you, but I prefer to study alone. No problem. This was your listening and speaking ability. Okay, this was enough for this video. We will continue this exercise in the next video.